The juice. Oh, God, man. Oh, my girl just called me when I was at the place. She said get some juice. Oh, boy. Let's go get that juice, man. Now, what I'm gonna do, I am going to seal the engine because it's leaking oil on the top. You know what? Let's go that way. I'm not supposed to go this way because this is one way in and one way out. Um, you know what? Let's go to um, Ray's Market. Let's go to Ray's Market. Tall people right there. Huh. Let's go to Ray's Market and get the juice. I think I can try it here. That's the police station right there. All right. Okay, you see my my oh, here we go. That's what I was gonna say. My seatbelt is not on, so that thing's going to ring like crazy. There we go. All right. This is the hood, man. It's beautiful over here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. Alright, let's get the juice, man, and go home. Go home with the family. And it's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. That knows. Excuse me. Yeah, there you go. Alright. I can't get. Oh, there's no jug or juice, but yeah, that news is everywhere, son. Like, oh, there we go. There's the juice. Gallon of juice, $1.89. Yeah, no hitch. This one is terrible. Let's get every. Oops. Go ahead, bro. Oh, going right here? Go ahead. All right. Let's get the Arizona, the fruit punch. Let's get 2 of them. And tea is kind of terrible too, but hey, let's get the tea and the fruit punch. The tea is mine. The fruit punch going to be for the kids. Sorry, excuse me. Thank you. Pretty good, thank you. Not $40 in here. I'm sorry? Yes. Yeah, it's still going on, man. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, it's pouring down raining, and then it's not raining here. Just a few miles down.
We don't want it right now. We don't need it right now.
You don't need it.
Not right now. We know it's coming.
Yes, sir. It is. It's pouring down raining. I'm gonna look outside in that direction and see if it's on. Thank you so much. Hey. Yeah, I just get one bag.
Oh, because most people don't be wanting
Yeah,
to.
that's it. Yeah, because one for the kids, one for me. Thank you.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
Excuse me, bro. Let me pass it. All right. Yeah, let me see if it's raining over there. Okay. All right, plantation is that way, but it looks fine to me. Oh, oh. I can feel the rain drops. Oh, you can see it on the car. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, it's pouring down raining. So, like the brother said, we don't really need that rain here, but I can't tell my father how to do his job. You know, that's his job. Oh, you gotta take it fast on here. Woo! All right, all right, all right. I was going right here anyway, so. She look at me like, yo, what you doing? Dog, this used to be my neighborhood. This used to be my hood. That's where I made most of my money. And when I had the cabs, when I have the cabs business running. Then again, Uber came in and silenced everything. What a tragedy. Oh, it's raining now. It's raining. Yeah, I gotta go home, man. It's raining. I do that out the way, yo. Jeez. Yeah. Whoa, sorry. No, I never felt like I should wear a seatbelt around there. So. Yeah. Scumbag playing craps in the street, man. Next thing you know, one of them shot the other and killed. That's what. Last time it happened, it was by the swap shop. They were playing craps, and then one of the dude lost. Something happened, and shot and killed the other fellow. You know, it's just like there are so many things that you can play. There are so many games you can play. You choose to play scraps. All right, I'm almost there. And I always despise when I'm getting home. That's when I remember things that I was supposed to get. But then again, whoo, the alignment is crazy on this thing, man. It's straight. All right, all right. Well, I was supposed to turn in there, but I could also turn here too, which is better because I'm going to park right there. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, now I got everything. Nope, I still have to take the water. God, dang it! Oh, yeah, this thing is. I would have thought those water were that heavy. Jeez. I mean, the juice. Yeah. This is very heavy. Or am I very weak? Let's get some water and put it on. That should be good for tonight. See, my daughter did this. Oh. Forgot to lock this thing.